Hello, how to solve for s from this equation s raised to power 3 minus s squared is equal to 100, where s is a member of real number. Solution. S raised to power 3 minus s squared is equal to 100. S raised to power 3 minus s squared minus 100 is equal to 0. S raised to power 3 minus s squared minus 100 can be written as 5 raised to power 3 minus 5 square is equal to 0. S raised to power 3 minus s square minus 5 raised to power 3 plus 5 square is equal to 0. Let's compare this. Here is s raised to power 3 minus 5 raised to power 3 minus this s square minus 5 square is equal to 0. Then if you have a raised to power 3 minus b raised to power 3, this is equal to a minus b bracket a square plus b square plus ab. Then if you have a square minus b square, this is equal to a plus b multiplied by a minus b, where a is equal to s and b is equal to 5. Now, to compare this, we have s minus 5 bracket a square, that is s square, plus b square, that is 5 square, plus ab, that is 5 multiplied by s, minus, and this side we have s minus 5 multiplied by s plus 5 equal to 0. S minus 5 bracket s square plus 5 square is 25 plus 5s minus s minus 5 multiplied by s plus 5 equal to 0. Now s minus 5 is common here, s minus 5 is common here. Let's bring it out. We have x minus 5 bracket s square plus 25 plus 5s. Then here we have minus s plus 5 equal to 0. S minus 5 bracket s square plus 25 plus 5s minus x minus 5 equal to 0. S minus 5 bracket s square plus 5s minus s, that is 4s, plus 25 minus 5, that is 20, equal to 0. There are two cases here. The first case is s minus 5, and the second case is s squared plus 4s plus 20. Then first case, s minus 5 equal to 0, therefore s is equal to 5. And from the second case, s squared plus 4s plus 20 equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Let's solve using quadratic general formula. And our quadratic general formula is giving us s is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. And from this equation, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 4, c is equal to 20. Then s is equal to minus 4 plus or minus square root of 4 square minus 4 multiplied by a is 1, multiplied by c is 20 over 2 multiplied by 1. Or discriminant d is equal to b square minus 4ac. Then b is 4 square minus 4 multiplied by a is 1, multiplied by c is 20. This is equal to 4 square 16 minus 4 times 1 times 20, that is 80. Then d is equal to minus 64, which is less than 0. So this is rejected. The only solution we have is s is equal to 5. This is the final answer. We can check to confirm if our answer is right or wrong. Let's check. To check, we have the given equation s raised to power 3 minus s squared must be equal to 100. Then, when s is 5, 5 raised to power 3 minus 5 squared must be equal to 100. 5 raised to power 3 is 125 minus 5 squared is 25 must be equal to 100. Let's see, 125 minus 25, this is 100, is equal to 100. We satisfy the given equation at x equal to 5. Thank you for watching. Like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye-bye.